Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can create dependent drop-down lists in Excel. In our previous video, we saw how we can create drop-down lists. So there may be a situation where you want to create a list that is dependent on another list. For example, in this very screen, you can see I have two departments under engineering and department for marketing. And under engineering, you can see I have rows that are under engineering. Under marketing, you can see I have rows under marketing. Now, I may want to be able to select either engineering or marketing here in my D2. Then from this, I want the option I will have in my rows to only be the option for either the marketing that I've selected. So if I select marketing here, then the rows I should have should be only this. And if what I select here is engineering, then the rows that I should have here should only be these engineering rows. And that's just what you're going to be seeing in this video. So here, where I have these two departments, I am going to first start by creating named ranges. We've already seen how to create named ranges in the previous video. So what I will do now is to just select this and then click here and type engineering. And then for the marketing, I want to also create named range. So I will call this marketing. Marketing. So I will come to this department under D2. And here I'm going to do my data validation. We've seen how to do this in the previous video. So the first thing we are going to do from our home tab is to come to the data tab. So we click on the data tab, and then under data 2, we select data validation. So here under allow, we want to allow lists, and then the source that we want is this engineering and marketing. So I will select engineering and marketing, and then I will enter OK. So if you come here, you can easily select engineering or marketing. Now, under row, where we want to be selecting our rows, we are going to be using the indirect function here to be able to select the various rows under the department. So what I will do here is to still come under this data tool and select data validation, then select list. Then what I will do now is to come to these sources and enter equal to indirect, and I will select this D2, okay, and close the bracket, then OK. So when I come here and I click on this drop down arrow, you can see for the fact that I have engineering here, the options I have are for engineering, software engineer, data scientist, and so on. So I can make my selection from any of these. And if I decide to check for marketing, the options that I'll have here will be for marketing, SEO specialist, brand manager, and so on. And that's just how we can be able to create dependent drop-down lists in Excel. And I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you will, kindly like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.